Hi guys, we're gonna cook some egg today. Hi, and let's cook some egg. Wait for a minute. If I'm starting cooking and I will just say something, start with ASMR.
Nagulo-gulo yung buhok mo. Nagulo-gulo award.
Oh, let's open the stove. Let's open the stove, guys.
Ayan ka nag-
And mag-chips this. Sorry guys, naglalap niya. Let's cook some egg. Sorry guys, naiinis ako sa phone ko Nase siya. So let's go sa ito chismis. Alam mo nung last guys. Maalam niyo guys, nung last nung nagluluto ko dun sa luto. Hindi dito sa binili ko ngayon. Dun sa old na, dun sa stove. Bigla kong nasunog ang sarili kong buhok. So wait for a minute pag I'm gonna cook some hot. Sorry, it's loud. Let's put some ketchup. And my cooking is done. Just cook a little egg. And I'm gonna cook some hot dog. And if it's done, okay. It's time to cook. Guys, if it's done, guys, the next I'm gonna cook some sinigang. Sinigang! To cook a sinigang. Wait for a minute. And I'm almost done. And I'm cooking sinigang in there. I'll show you. This, I'll just put it up, put it there. Put it there. And I'm done. Bye-bye. And I'm done. Okay, bye. Bye.